Guys, it's really early. It's 8 a.m. This is the earliest I've been up in a very, very long time. Now we're paying respects to the longest, well, I don't know if it's the longest standing or running car show that I know of, but it's Supercar Sunday. I have not been here in many, many months. I think it's time to pay my respect, so to speak, to the OG car show that basically got me into car spotting. It's like coming back to like your high school reunion. It's been such a long time, man. Here is the star of the show, the Lamborghini Mira, all opened up. Man, the good old stomping grounds of Supercar Sunday. Dude, this wide-body BMW's got a front plate and I don't. I'm gonna get screwed over on the snake today, guys. M2. Alright, oh, the whole M crew's rolling in. Look at this. Matte green with the bronze wheels. Toyo tires. The thing sounds like a beast. Look at that. Dude, talk about the license plate game. Strong. Like, just look at them.
No, it's pretty wide.
It's like a toy car. Check out this Porsche replica here. What the heck? Respect though, respect. Oh, there goes the Huracan Performante. By the way, that matte orange is a stock factory color. Apparently this VW bus has a turbo in it. Just listen. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Alright guys, I didn't really film too much. We got two German Shepherds just chilling right there. I've been filming more dogs than cars recently, so I do feel bad. Now, my buddy tells me that if I go to the snake in the SVR, which I have parked right over there, unfortunately, I still have no front plate, and the cops honestly might pull me over. And we got this Trans Am right here. I think it's got the Confederate flag on the front plate. Let's check it out. And yes, it does. All the JDM cars are rolling out. We got the GTR right there. We do everything here on the effspot channel. Look at this wing on the GTR. Oh my goodness. Burn self. The Type R right here as well. I think we're gonna head over to the... That's right, no burnouts, no revs or accelerations. You know guys, this just honestly just takes my breath away. Check out this replica 917 right here. What the heck? Let me go around and give you guys a little better look-see here. Are you kidding me right now? I mean, seeing that, I live to see shit like this, man. After that, just take me away. I'm done, dude. I'm absolutely done. Look at the interior. What the? Wow. Apparently, the locals that come to Supercar Sunday has said they've never seen this car ever. So, this is its debut or its premiere, so to speak. Oh, dude, this guy's got the hat and everything. Yeah. Not a bad turnout here at Supercar Sunday. It does happen every Sunday of the year. First Sunday of the month is like the special marquee, so it might be like Ferrari Day or Lamborghini Day, so make sure to check out the show. Good to be back. We're gonna head over to the snake now. Some action on the snake. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Don't fucking crash, bro. There we go, guys. I stepped out of the XC40 here, guys. Might get some action here. I don't know. He's making a comeback. I parked the SVR over there. The cop's gone. Here we go. Oh, shit. What a naughty boy. Whoa. Oh, we got an NSX. Senna 12, what a play, that's beautiful. Yeah. Alright, here it comes. What bike is it? It's a
Yamaha R1.
Yamaha R1.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little salute. I like that. Wow, we're here at the Mulholland Snake, guys. It's starting to heat up a little bit. Yes. Jesus Christ. This fucking guy in the Harley. Guys, Snake Nation, make sure to check these guys out on Instagram. They're here 7 days a week, just locking it down on the Mulholland Snake, capturing the best of fuckery and fuckboy action. So here we go, this one more time, Snake Nation for you guys, the ultimate shout out. Oh my goodness, dude, Mulholland Snake, the cop's gone, all hell's broken loose, guys, so we're good. There it is, the SVR. Here we go, guys. No tickets today. Not today and not on my watch, guys. That's correctamundo, guys. We're on Canyon Road. Obviously, Matt Shostag's favorite canyon road right here. But there's a couple of tunnels here, so hopefully get some good footage for you guys. I'm gonna roll down the windows, get a sport, do a downshift. Every time you see a tunnel, you just gotta do your duty, guys. Ho-ho! Two cops. Oh, they pulled over the SVR. Oh man, what's going on, guys? Jeez. Right here, guys. New restaurant. You got the Whiteout Crew, 4x4 and an SV. And a Maserati, but oh, the guy's trying to go the wrong way. No. All right, guys, and I'm searching the car. What the heck is going on here? Are you kidding me? No way. Poor BMW. Jesus. Dude, they are cracking down. I'm not really sure what they're cracking down on, but my goodness, that is the 6th person that's been pulled over in the span of what, 2 hours? I've barely just got here, guys, and yep. Jesus. Well, guys, trying to figure out what's going on here. I hear an Aventador. Oh, right there. Better be careful, boy. Cops abound. Just when you think you've seen it all, we got this red Porsche. Oh no, are you fucking kidding me right now? Hold on. There it is. Oh, it's like a donk Porsche, dude. Carrera 4. What the fuck?
Mr. Cat!
Where is he? You gonna do a pull? You gonna do a pull? Now we're rolling. Oh yeah, they're buddies now, look. Whoa, it's like 1 a.m. We got cars still rolling around on Rodeo. Is Arab o'clock officially back? Well, I was actually on my way out of Beverly Hills here, and yep. For those who subscribe to me, you guys know that in the last video I did mention there was something that was sent to me by the police in the mail that I'm going to open. It looks like a wedding invitation card, but it actually isn't. But for the astute observer and subscriber, you guys always know, or if you spend a lot of time on YouTube, the clickbait title or whatever the person titles a video, they always put at the end of said video. So as a good YouTuber, that's exactly what I'm doing to you guys. So I hope I'm not snaking you guys too badly, but we're gonna open this sucker. I'm gonna put the camera down, so just bear with me, guys. Boom, guys, moment of truth. Now, I kind of already knew this was coming. It is something from the police. I'm not lying or tricking you guys. There's no sneak thievery going on here, guys. But it is not from BHPD. nor is it from LAPD or any jurisdiction in the state of California or the United States. It's actually from Geneva, Switzerland. And my crime was I was going 81 kilometers in a 60 kilometer zone. They have a ton of speed cameras, speed traps everywhere in that country, in the tunnel system at the beginning, middle, and they have like average speed cameras. They're just all over the place. 240 Swiss francs, guys. Now the real question is, do I pay it? Let me know in the comments below, because even I'm not entirely sure if they have any jurisdiction in America. I think if I don't pay it and I go back to Switzerland, that could be some bad news. But I don't think I'm going back to Switzerland for a while. I hate driving there. Do a little rev, you do a little, little fuckboy action. Dude, they're gonna snatch your ass up, put you in the pound me in the ass prison. Or they could send you a very polite letter saying you owe them some money. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if I should pay this fine or if I'm legally bound to pay this fine. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope I didn't snake you guys too much, because it's a little sneak thievery where I kind of clickbaited you guys, but I kind of did. I did receive a letter from the police. So anyways, till next time, guys, enjoy.